Are you running a WooCommerce store but your product not ranking in Google search? You tried lot of different kind of SEO tactic but nothing work? Don't worry, in this step-by-step video tutorial, I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT and AI to optimize your WooCommerce product, category, images, meta description and more. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced WooCommerce store owner, this tutorial will help you to improve your Google ranking, increase organic traffic. It will write SEO-friendly description by using AI, optimize product categories, generate meta title and description, optimize product image and alternate text, boost product visibility in Google, and also it's help to generate more sales. So that is my dashboard, and here actually I already install WooCommerce plugin. As you can see, even I already create lot of products with different category. Even if you click in the category, here also you can see I already create lot of categories, and that is my website. Now how to create this kind of professional looking WooCommerce website by using only free resources, I already created a dedicated video on that. If you want to watch that video, then that video link will be given in the video description. From that you can access. Even in the I button also I'll give the link. You can click and access that video. So now let's come back to this video tutorial. This website already contains lot of products. Now suppose particularly on this product actually I want to do the SEO. And for doing SEO, first of all I have to install one SEO plugin. There are a lot of plugins available, but I highly recommend to use Rank Math SEO plugin for doing SEO on the WooCommerce. So for installing the plugin, I have to hover on the plugin, and after that I have to click in the add plugin option. And here in the search option, I am writing Rank Math. So that is my plugin, Rank Math SEO AI SEO tool to dominate SEO ranking. This one, okay. Click in the install now. After installing, I have to click in the activate option for activating the plugin. After activating this plugin, this page will open. So just keep the step, okay. Now from here, just scroll down and click in the return to dashboard option. So now from here, let me click in this setup wizard. After that, this window will open. From here, I am choosing easy. After that, click in the start wizard. So here showing Woo2 means my website name, okay. Is a web shop, yes, it's right. And business type, so that is a cloth store. So let me search for that. So here you can see the clothing store. Click on that. Website name is Woo2. Remaining here keep as it is. Logo already uploaded, so no need to do anything change. If your logo is not appearing here, then you have to click here, and from here you have to choose your logo, okay. But my logo already updated, so no need to change here anything. Scroll down, and if you want to display different logo in social media, then you have to click here. Suppose from the media library I am choosing this one. Click in the use this file, okay. After that click in the save and continue. Okay, I have to create an account now, and I have to connect that with the Rank Math. Actually that will be helpful if you take a paid plan of the Rank Math, okay. And I am using the free version, so I think that's not important. Let me click in the skip the step, and after that click in the return to dashboard. So this page will open, person or company. So it's an organization, so I am choosing here organization. If it's your personal site, then you have to choose person, okay. Website name, if you have any website alternate name, you have to enter here, and after that here you have to enter the description. So here you have to describe about your site. So here I am writing Woo2 is a online clothing selling platform where we sell multi-brand clothes. You can scroll down. So here you have to enter your email ID. Next here you have to enter the shop address. After that here you have to enter the country code. So country code for the India is +91. After that address format, so address, locality, region, yeah, it's correct, no need to change anything. So business type is clothing store, and here you have to enter your opening and closing date and time. If you want to edit them, you can edit that also. Suppose your store will be closed in Sunday, so you can remove it from here also. After that opening format, I'm making it 12-hour format. Phone number, so here you have to enter your customer care phone number. Price range not required. If you have any legal name, you can enter here. If you have any Google Map API key, then you have to enter here. Remaining all okay. So about us page I already have, so let me search for that. So this one, and here the contact us page also I have to search. So that is my contact us page. If you don't have, then you have to create that, okay. Now let me click in the save changes. So now from here, let me come back to the product because I want to do SEO on the products. So here everything looking good, no need to change anything. After that, here you can see all your attribute already come here. Suppose you want to change your brand title format. From here you can change. Everything I am keeping as it is here. Let's do one thing, come back to the product category. So for that, hover on the products and click in the categories. So I want to do SEO on the sari category. So let me open the sari category here. For SEO actually, best practice is you have to write the slug. So as a sari category, I wrote the slug as sari, and I have to write a description also for the sari category. So let's come back to the ChatGPT. So here I am writing write a SEO friendly description on the sari category because I am using rank math SEO, and for that I have to write a description on the sari category for the WooCommerce. Send prompt. So you can see it's already wrote a description, but I don't need that. Scroll down. So here you can see the meta description. Okay, so just copy that, come back here and paste it here. Now scroll down and here click in the edit snippet. Here also you can see the description. I am writing the same. Title name I am writing sari only. Permalink will be also sari. Now close this one and focus keyword also will be sari here. So now you can see the SEO score is showing 100 out of 100, and here all the thing got checked. Okay, so everything is looking good here. Now let me click in the update option. So after that, directly come back to the products, and here actually I don't want to show this SEO details. Okay, let's do one thing, click in this and just turn it off. Okay, now it's looking good. Now from here, suppose I want to do the SEO on that product. So open that product. So at present my SEO score is 9 out of 100. Okay, so I have to improve that. So that is my product title, and here actually my focus will be Georgette sari. I mean that is my focus keyword. Next again come back to the ChatGPT. So that is my product image. Okay, do one thing, select everything and drag it here like that. After that, here I am writing that is my product and I need a SEO friendly title, description, meta description and all the thing whatever required for rank math SEO to score high, and my focus keyword is Georgette sari. So after that, click in the send prompt. It will analyze the image and based on that it will write everything for you. So as you can see, that is my product title. So copy it, come back here. So first of all, let me change the title. After that, permalink, copy it from here, come back here, click in the edit option here. First of all, remove everything and paste that. After that, you have to click in the OK. So as you can see, my SEO score is improving now. After that, here you can see the SEO title. Okay, and that is the SEO title and that is the alternate title, and here the power word plus number everything already integrated. So let's copy this one, come back here. Now you have to scroll down here, you have to come to the SEO session. Okay, this one, click in the edit snippet and here you can see the title, you have to mention it here. Similarly again come back here, here also I have to update the permalink, copy, come back here and here I have to mention that permalink. Next, the focus keyword, that is Georgette sari. Let me close this one and here in the focus keyword I have to mention the Georgette sari. If you want to add some additional focus keyword, always you can add them. After that, meta description. So copy it, you can come back here, click in the add snippet and here you can see the description, wrote it here. Okay, so here is the label is 160 but it's already 162 word. So let me do one thing. From here, suppose I am removing this matching blouse piece, I am removing this piece option. Okay, so now it 156. Okay, still it's showing red color. So do one thing, remove this by elegant option also. Okay, now it's looking good. Let me close this one. So after that again come back to the ChatGPT page. So here you can see that is my product short description. So copy this one, come back here and here you can see the product short description. Select everything, remove everything and paste that text here. Okay, I have to mention this point also, I forgot that. So copy it, come back here. So after that line I have to paste that also. So next here you can see the product long description. So let me copy all of them and don't just do the copy paste, you have to little bit edit them also. Copy it, come back here. Now remove all the long description from here and paste that. As you can see, my SEO score is increasing now. So now it's 73 out of 100. Let me improve it more. Okay, here in the product specification I have to integrate this table also. So copy it, come back here. So here actually I have to paste that. So next here you can see the image alternate text. So just copy the first text for the main image, copy, come back here. Now scroll down here. Now click on that image and here you can see the alternate text, paste that, and you have to change the name also, I mean the title also, and always try to give the image name same as product name. So come back here. So here for this image I am mentioning this title. After that click in the select product image. For this gallery image also I have to do the same. First of all let me remove them. Now click in this. So that is my gallery image, this one and this one. For them also give the same name. For this one also change the title. Now again come back to the ChatGPT. So here for the back view the image alternate text will be this one. So copy it from here. Now come back to the product window. So that is the back view. So here I have to paste that alternate text, and for the folded view copy this one, come back here, click in this one and paste the alternate text here. Now click in the add to gallery, and image description also you have to upload. Copy this one, and for the product image, so here you can see the image description, paste it here. Again click in the set product image. After that here you can see lot of product tag. Okay, so in the product window also here you can see product tag option is there. So what you have to do, you have to copy them one after one and paste them here and click in the add option. Hope you understand the process. You have to copy it from here, paste it here and click in the add option. You have to add all of them. After adding all the tag, make sure you add brand and product category properly. After the scroll down, so here you can see your content is 385 words long. Consider to using at least 600 words. What you have to do, just copy this error. Okay, come back to the ChatGPT, paste it here and send prompt. So it will automatically recognize the problem and give you a new product description. Now just copy this one. So whatever the improvement ChatGPT done in that, they already mentioned here. Okay, so now just copy it, come back here. Now select all the long description, remove everything, and after paste it here. Now scroll down. Okay, this error gone. After that in additional you can see another 3 error. Okay, now just copy this error, link out to external resources. So the ChatGPT will automatically create some link for the external resources. Just send the prompt. So as you can see ChatGPT already gives some external link. Okay, suppose for the Georgette saree text actually they create a external link. Okay, click on the link, copy the link. Now come back here. So here you can see the Georgette saree text is there. Okay, select that, click in this insert/edit link option and you have to paste the link. After that you have to click in the apply. So again come back here. So as you can see for the fabric care guide it give another link. Okay, again let me click on that, copy link, come back here. So here you can see the care instruction. Okay, let me do one thing, select that, click in the insert link and let me insert the link here. Okay, click in the apply option. Now if you scroll down here you can see that error gone already. So another error is displaying, we could not find any internal link in your content. So that means in that long description actually I have to add another product from this website. So let me open the dashboard in a new tab. From there let me open the products. Now open all the product which is belong to the saree category. So as you can see this product is also belong to the Georgette saree. So let me do one thing, click in the view option for that product. Now from here just copy the URL. Okay, now come back here. Suppose here is the Georgette saree. Okay, again click in this insert link and paste that link here and click in the apply. Now if you scroll down here you can see that error also gone. Now here in the content readability another error is coming, you don't seems to be use any table content. So come back here again, paste that here, send prompt. So here it's telling this is not an SEO problem with your content, it's a rank math recommendation. Since your product description is longer than 600 word, rank math suggests to adding a table of contents to improve readability. You can skip this one, that's not that much important. So let me check if any more error is there or not. No, remaining everything is looking okay. So now my SEO score also improved. As you can see my SEO score is 88 out of 100 and that is a good score. So in this way you can SEO your product description. Especially all the WooCommerce store owner who don't have very good SEO knowledge, who are not perfect in SEO, by following my tutorial they can SEO their product, and if they follow this step their product will be easily visible in the Google search. That will create lot of organic traffic and immediately the sale number of that product also will be get increased. I am ending this video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this video then you can easily ask me in the comment section. If you really like this video then like this video and share this video with your friends and family. And if you not yet subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.